To discover how to make $500 or more every month using completely free AI tools without spending a single dime on any investment or subscription. This approach leverages the free tiers of powerful AI platforms that anyone can access today. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or just starting your online journey, I'm about to reveal 5 powerful and proven ways to earn money with AI in 2025, all requiring no upfront costs. These methods leverage completely free tiers of AI tools like ChatGPT and others, requiring no upfront investment whatsoever, making them highly accessible to everyone from beginners to experienced hustlers. Let's dive right in now and explore in detail how you can start generating real income today using these free AI strategies. First up, AI content creation, a highly effective method where you can earn steady income with blogs, newsletters, and social media posts, targeting estimated earnings of $100 to $200 per month. Tools like ChatGPT with its free tier offering unlimited prompts, and Notion AI, which is free with a simple sign-up, allow you to effortlessly write high-quality blog posts, engaging social media content, and effective email newsletters. You can generate comprehensive 1,000-word blog posts in under 5 minutes, drastically speeding up your content production process and enabling massive scalability. Platforms like Medium with its partner program, paying $5 to $15 per 1,000 reads, Substack with over 1 million paid subscribers platform-wide, or LinkedIn enable you to monetize these articles through subscriptions, affiliate links, or sponsorships. Even if you write once a week, AI helps you produce multiple unique posts in just minutes, allowing you to consistently post 3 to 5 AI-generated articles every single week without burnout. This strategy can lead to 500 to 2,000 reads per month, potentially earning you $100 to $200 per month, as demonstrated by real creators like at AI Hustle, who earned $1,200 in their first 3 months on Medium. Next, let's explore freelance design using AI tools, where you can quickly freelance design services and sell your creations online with estimated earnings of $50 to $200 per month. Tools like Canva Magic Studio offering over 50 free AI uses per month, DALL-E 3 via ChatGPT with 50 free images per day, and Fodor AI with unlimited free edits can create stunning logos, social media graphics, and digital art in minutes. You can create professional-grade logos in just 5 to 10 minutes per job, making high-quality design accessible to everyone, even complete beginners without any prior experience. Offer these high-quality designs on platforms like Fiverr, with over 3 million buyers and average AI gigs at $10 to $50, Upwork, where AI proposals are free, or Etsy for digital downloads priced at $5 to $20 per item. With AI assistance, beginner designers can earn $300 to $800 per month by completing around 10 gigs, and some popular AI logo design gigs on Fiverr receive over 100 orders monthly at an average of $15 each. Third, let's talk about AI video creation, where you can create professional videos and monetize them fast, aiming for estimated earnings of $50 to $150 per month. Platforms like CapCut with free AI auto edit and text-to-video, InVideo on its free plan allowing 10 minutes of export per week, and Pictory with text-to-video capabilities can automatically transform scripts into engaging YouTube Shorts or TikTok videos in about 10 minutes. You can monetize these through the YouTube Partner Program, requiring 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for $3 to $5 per 1,000 views, TikTok Creator Fund at 2 to 4 cents per view, or by creating ads for small businesses. AI-generated videos grow 5 times faster according to HubSpot 2024 data, and dedicated creators can earn around $500 per month by consistently posting just 10 shorts weekly. For example, 1 million views on TikTok can translate to $200 to $400 in actual earnings from the Creator Fund and bonuses. Fourth, consider AI translation and tutoring, allowing you to translate content accurately and tutor online with estimated earnings of $50 to $100 per month. Google Translate, boasting 99% accuracy across over 100 languages, and ChatGPT for contextual translation and creating study guides or flashcards are powerful free tools for translating blogs, social media posts, or educational materials. You can translate 1,000 words in just 2 minutes thanks to AI, significantly reducing the time required for language tasks by up to 80% as per industry reports. Offer these services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, where translation gigs pay 5 to 10 cents per word and tutoring sessions fetch $15 to $30 per hour, no advanced fluency required. Artificial intelligence handles the heavy lifting, enabling you to earn without needing advanced language skills, with just 10 gigs per month potentially bringing in $200 or more. Finally, let's explore AI-assisted affiliate marketing, where you can promote products effectively and earn commissions, targeting $50 to $200 per month in earnings. Use ChatGPT or WriteSonic with free tiers up to 10,000 words per month to create compelling product reviews, persuasive emails, or optimized website content for various products and software. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates offering 1 to 10% commissions, ClickBank with 50 to 75% on digital products, or AppSumo for software deals, and earn commissions every time someone buys through your unique link. AI boosts conversions by 30% according to Affiliate Summit data, and beginners can earn $50 to $200 per month by posting just 3 affiliate-focused pieces of content weekly. For instance, 100 clicks a day leading to 5 sales at a $10 commission per sale can scale up impressively to $1,500 per month with consistent effort. Combine these 5 powerful methods together, and you can easily make $500 or more per month using only free AI tools, as supported by Forbes surveys of AI hustlers earning $200 to $1,000 monthly. The key to success is consistency. Regularly post content, offer your services, and automate as much as possible with these free AI tools to maximize your output. Remember, 65% of hustlers fail due to inconsistency according to Forbes research, so stay fully committed to your AI-powered side hustle journey for long-term results. If you found this guide helpful and actionable, please hit the like button right now and subscribe to Tech Library for more practical AI money-making tips and in-depth tech tutorials. Comment AI Money below if you want a detailed part 2 with even more innovative ways to earn online using free AI tools in 2025.